Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you another template of mine. It's for EDM music. And how do I use this template to create faster workflow, greater efficiency, so that I can write the song so much faster. And if you like, you can also download this template from the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this content with your friends, and hopefully the tips going to help you and also going to help me create more contents for you guys. And without further ado, let's jump into this template for EDM. It's pretty simple to use. I have kick, I have snare, I have claps, and I have a bass, I have melody, I have chords and effects. So if you like electronic music, you might want to use this type of template instead. And again, for any shortcuts, you can refer back to my previous tutorial where I talked about all of that. For the percussion part are actually audio tracks. Why do I do that? The reason behind that is I find that if I do audio for all the kicks and snare, I can tweak it a little bit better. If you are using keyboard to play kick and snare, it may not, well, in my opinion, I cannot see the wave file. And once I see the wave file, I can actually have a better idea of how it sounds like visually. So, okay, so these are not one shot. So let's say I like this one, okay? It's a one shot, it's not a loop. These are loops. This is one shot. Let's say I like this one. Just gonna put it there. Okay. Let's say I like that one too, so I can add it to my next track. And claps should be there. All right, so it's pretty easy. That's the reason I put audio tracks in the percussion session, because I can actually see the waveform, and it makes it easier for me to do my job. And of course, all these samples are already loaded. I already chosen some of the samples that I think it works. So when you download the template, it will actually be there for you. And I'm not using any of my own sample libraries. These are all from Logic Pro 10. All right, so I'm gonna glue them together, and I will have to quantize them because I did not play it very well. I'm just messing around with these, okay? And just to show you what is going on with all that. And of course, now with a bass line, I can do other stuff. Anyway, so I'm just trying to make something fast here. Just to show you the sound. And sometimes you have to adjust the volume in order for that to work. good enough for me to quantize that. Anyway, so you may not appreciate this melody because, you know, I'm just quickly throwing something together and it's not even finalized. And of course, you can quantize that to the notes. And there we go. And of course, there's like effect section for riser and drop and impact and texture that you can also add on. And these are all audio files, audio tracks. So let's say if I have a riser. And if I have this sending to the long reverb, I mean the room reverb, so that it will not end bluntly. Right, so it's pretty useful, pretty fast workflow once you know, I have everything already sorted out, right? Now, this is going to be major, I think. And remember I showed you guys about the drag and drop MIDI file. You can also use that in this project here. And because I know this is G, so I can select the G and then select an A minor and then select the C major and then select the G again, and let's see how it sounds like. This is just the ARP section. With a super long reverb. And I'm going to send it to make it more lushy sound. Okay. But of course, because I know the chord and I can just drag and drop without even playing the keyboard, right? Okay, let's hear it. to create some kind of shimmering effect, right? So anyway, as you can see, I have this template which already set up, and you can download this simple template for EDM, and you can also add different tracks to it to customize it to your own. And you can see I've already colored this to percussion section. You have a bass, you have a melody, you have chords, you have also some effects section, and I've demonstrated a little bit of everything here. Some are audio files, some are MIDI. You can drag and drop your MIDI. You can drag and drop your audio files, either from the Logic Pro 10 stock library, or if you have your own samples, you can just put it in there as well. And to build your song can be so much faster with the use of different templates. All right. Okay, so hope you guys like this tutorial here, and hopefully it's not too long, and you can also download the templates to your own, and from the description below. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel here, and share this content with your friends, and hopefully the tips, it's going to help you increase your workflow, increase your productivity, and create more music. And I'll see you next time. Ciao.